When you adjust somebody's spine, you change their brain. Isn't that crazy, right? Most people wouldn't think that. A chiropractic adjustment is actually going to make a change in an area of our brain called the somatosensory integration complex of the central nervous system, which, again, this is going to make more sense in a second when I explain what the heck that is. Now, there was a study done in 2016 in the Journal of Neuroplasticity by one of the leading chiropractic neurologists, Dr. Heidi Habak. In this study, what they did is they took a group of people who were subclinical, meaning that these people had identified subluxations in their spine. And again, a subluxation is when two bones misalign from optimal position, but they did not know that these subluxations existed. Now, meaning they weren't in any pain, any discomfort, they didn't have any symptoms. Now, what they did is they split this group up into two people. And what they did with these two people is group number A would actually receive a real chiropractic adjustment, where group number B would receive a sham adjustment. Now, what they did is fitted each of these patients with an EEG cap. Now, what an EEG cap is just more or less going to measure, again, what we call somatosensory potentials of the brain, or just brain activity. Now, what they found in this study was that the groups that were receiving the sham adjustments, they observed no change at all. Now, the group that was actually receiving the chiropractic adjustment, actually they saw these changes in this big long word that I talked about, which is exactly what we call your prefrontal cortex, or the front portion of your brain. It's pretty fascinating. And why is that? Well, this area of your brain is responsible for your thoughts, for your personality, from your emotions, your decision making. Again, the things that make you you, the things that make me me. How cool is that when we adjust somebody's spine, we're able to actually alter this area? Now, this is again why chiropractic care is applicable to everybody. We all have a nervous system in which our brain communicates to every organ, tissue, cell, so on and so forth in our body. We want that system to be obviously working at its optimal, along with all the other systems in our body. Our heart, our lungs, our liver, our kidneys, our digestive system, they are all interconnected. This is the reason why we need to have every single individual in this world checked for spinal misalignment, because obviously what we all want to be is our healthiest, and through chiropractic care, it can give you the tools to living your life at your best. I'm Dr. James. I hope you guys have a wonderful week this week and you learned a little bit about brain function.